3.3, number 140. Find the point on f of x equals x cubed where the tangent line has an x-intercept of 6. A little more intricate problem. So what we want to do is construct the tangent line in abstract. So I don't know what point on f of x has this quality. So I'm going to pick an arbitrary point. Let a f of a be a point, right, on the function. So of course that means that's going to be a comma a cubed because we're on the cubic function, right? For any value x I put in, I'm going to get out a cubed. All right, so I'm going to find the tangent line at a cubed. Okay, that's arbitrary. Find the tangent line at a comma a cubed. So I need to take the derivative, get the slope of that tangent line. So f prime of x is, of course, by the power rule, 3x squared. And that means f prime at a is 3a squared. And so my derivative is the slope of my tangent line. So therefore I would have for the tangent line itself, tangent line is going to be y equals slope at a, right, 3a squared. There's my slope of the tangent line for any value a, times x, and then plus unknown y-intercept b. So to get the y-intercept in the abstract, I need to just plug in a point that's on the tangent line. But what point's on the tangent line? The same one that's shared with the curve, a cubed in this case. So I'm going to plug a cubed in here for x and y respectively, and I'll get my general looking y-intercept for the tangent line. So we would have a cubed equals 3a squared a. Right? There's the x and y values of this particular point plugged into the tangent line, which the tangent line possesses at this point, again, because it's an intersection between the tangent line and the curve. And if I subtract 3a cubed, apparently, over to the side, I'll get negative 2a cubed is b. So now my tangent line in the abstract is y equals 3a squared times x minus 2a cubed. So now we just force the tangent line to have the quality that was mentioned in the beginning, that it has an x-intercept of 6. All right, so if that's the case, then 0, right, 6, sorry, not 0, 6. I was going to do something else. Sorry. 6, comma 0 is on this tangent line. That's its x-intercept. Y value is 0, x value is 6. So now if I plug these in here, I'll get what I was about to write 1 second ago, which is 0 for y equals 3a squared times 6 for x. Right? Again, this is this tangent line's x-intercept minus 2a cubed. Now I'll just solve for a. Because again, a is the location on the curve where the tangent line has this property. So I'll get 0 equals, if I just factor a little bit here, I can take a squared out of this, and I can take 2 out of both of these. So I'll take 2a squared out from both of these. I'll be left with a 3 and a 3 here, which is 9. I'll be left with a negative a here, apparently. All right, so solving for a, this would imply that a equals 0 because of the factor a out here, and a could also equal 9 because of this factor here. So there's two possibilities. A, the x-coordinate could be a value of 0 or a value of 9, where the tangent line has a x-intercept of 6. So the solution then is 0, right? 0 for a. So a cubed is also 0. 0 cubed, right? That's 1 point where the tangent line will have an x-intercept of 6. Now, to be perfectly honest, if you think about it a little bit, this the tangent line is 0, 0 is horizontal. So the tangent line here is really the x-axis. That's why it has an x-intercept of 6. It has an x-intercept. It has all x-intercepts, actually. Right? So this is kind of a trivial case here. It may or may not be the one they're really looking for. They may want this included, I don't know, as a solution offhand. I'm not sure. It truly is a solution by the way they've phrased the question, but it may not be exactly what they're looking for. They may just be looking for the value of 9 here. Anyway, so that's a trivial solution in a sense, because it doesn't just have the x-intercept of 6 here. It has an x-intercept of every single value along the x-axis, because it's a horizontal line happening at the origin. Anyway, over here, a equals 9, I guess you might say the proper solution they're probably looking for, 9 comma 9 cubed. 9 cubed is 729, obviously. So that would be the point where the tangent line to x cubed has an x-intercept of 6 and no other x-intercepts.